Ayan mga repa, no? Marami nagpapa-shoutout sa atin, no? Shoutout time muna tayo. Isa-isahin natin, no? Yung na-meet ko nung nag-transfer ako last week. Si Ma'am Rochelle and family. Sir Ronald, yes, lagi daw nakatutok sa atin si Sir Ronald sa ano natin, sa vlog natin. No? Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa vlog namin, no? At saka thank you kasi may natutulong tayo, no? Kahit papaano, no? Sabi nila thankful daw sila kasi nakita nila yung apartment nila, they're happy sa school. At nakikita nila yung mga informative daw. So thank you so much Ma'am Rochelle and Ronald and Sir Ronald. Hope to see you again there sa 10 West. 10 West yung na mistaken or 9 West. Yan. Tsaka syempre yung Team Perez, yan, napakaganda rin ng mga content nila, no? So like and share din yung kanilang YouTube account, Ma'am Marian and family, at sino ba, mga nagpapa-shoutout pa sa atin. Hindi ko maalala sa sobrang dami, no? Meron pala akong si-share sa inyo yung aming podcast. Yan, na-release na siya a week ago, so I invite you everyone to watch our podcast. Ang kasama ko dito si Pinoy MT. Yan, lagi ko sa ganyan dyan. He is my friend way back in Saudi Arabia pa. He's a medical technologist and who loves, doing podcast. So, we decided to do it together. Yung aming episode 1 is talagang kapanapanabik about our journey from the Middle East coming here in USA. At saka, pakaabangan nyo talaga dahil napakarami kapulutan ng aral, informative, at saka good content lang, kumbaga good vibes lang. At yung susunod na episode, hopefully, next week. So, abangan ninyo. So, sa mga nagpapa-shoutout dyan, just comment in your shoutout sa comment box. And hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Maraming salamat as always pagsubaybay at pagnood at pag-subscribe sa aming channel. Ginagawa ko ito para syempre para sa inyo, para magkaroon ng at least ideas and information about life here in Virginia. So yan. At sa mga comments nyo at saka likes, that makes me continue on doing this. Yan. Okay, kaya maraming salamat. At again, no, sana pakapulutan nyo ng aral and God bless everyone. 7 PM na mga repa, no? At may laro pala tayo ngayon. So matagal ako walang naging vlog sa laro ko, no? So ngayon, punta tayo sa court ngayon, sa CarMax. May liga tayo. Kalaban namin, malaman natin mamaya. Blue yata, color blue. So may bago kaming uniform. Pakita ko sa inyo. Saka lang wala akong condition talaga. So I'm just gonna run a little bit, take couple of shots, then that's it. So yan, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa magiging basketball namin ngayon tonight, okay? Yeah, sige. Alright. Mag-prepare na ako kasi 7 PM na. Prepare tayo. Laro natin 8 o'clock. 25, medyo 30 minutes away from here yun. So, yeah, let's go. Marami pa. Outfit na tayo ng pang-basketball. Ayos, Kala mo, praktisado. Walang practice. So, okay. Kira-kis tayo mamaya sa court, okay? Dito na tayo sa basketballan. Parang huling laro ko pa, parang last year Taon na. Ayun, nag-cheeran kami. Malamig pa. Parang ngayon, bahal, sikits naman dyan
Knock.
Sa CarMax na Takaho, marami na. Before, naalala ko, konti lang regalo na, marami na. Bro, how are you? Meron pa, may naglalaro pa. See? Ito na tayo. Saka CarMax, welcome back. Ayun mga kagruhan natin, ka-teammate natin, ready na sila. Mag-shoot na ako dun. Papawisan na tayo. Ay, ibang lahi ito mga to, no? si Elise. Yung mga natin long time no siya. Ha? Oo, kala ko nga mag-change sports na ako. Last year pa yata. Diba? Ba tayo? Matagal kasi tayo hindi naglaro mga repa, no? Hindi ko alam, parang nawala dito na dati pagka sinabing basketball. Talagang nakangati na talagang all the go ako Pero ngayon, nagbago siya. So, hopefully, no? Bumalik yung kagustuhan natin maglaro ng basketball. Jump, Elise, jump! Very good. Mga ibang lahi ito. Mga bata pa to. Takbuhan. Makikita nyo ulit ang court sa vlog ko mga repa. Na-miss nyo ba? Marami na nga Pilipino ngayon. Before kukunti lang kami. Ngayon marami na. Hi bro, kumusta? Ito, long time na si how are you bro?
Hey, how you doing?
Long time.
Where have you been?
I miss you guys, I miss you.
Yeah.
I've been to, I circumnavigate the globe.
Good thing we have people. It's been tiring. We play with just 5 people, 6
So, ito yung pala yung natin. Tawag din Jamorant ng ng blue team. Long time bro, how are you? Kamusta? Happy New Year, Christmas, ano ba? May Valentine's.
Doon kami.
Warm up. Para sa art natin. Ang kaya art, musta? Long time. Long time si. Oh Brad, commissioner. Ay, nagbakasyon muna ako 3 months.
Sa Pilipinas?
Hindi lang nakapaglaro. Kamusta, Brad? Ito pala commissioner namin dito. Sikat. Long time no see, Brad.
I know, man.
Our official ref. Yeah.
I'm the one.
How are you? Long time. I miss you, my friend.
You ain't been here. I've been here every weekend.
Yeah, I've been to, Saudi Arabia for a couple of months.
No joke.
No, I'm just kidding.
Bring it on there.
Nakita niyo yung mga kampi natin, ha? Ang lalaki. Meron pa doon, Ay, sino ba to? Hindi ko maano. Si Dwayne. Si Dwayne. Warm up na. Ito yung aming MVP. So yan lamang ang white. Lamang ang white ng 28-21, 7 points. Nagde-dribble si Jason, pasa kay Tox. Balik kay Kuya Art. Pasa kay Ken gumagawa ng diskarte sa 3. Boom! 3! Kuha. Sa white ball, nagde-dribble, Roel. Gamit oras, Well. Kabila, 3, sablay. Nagde-dribble, Jason going down with the ball. Pass to Tox for umakma ng 3 at 3. In a matter of 30 seconds, isa na lang. Ang galing talaga ng basketball. Isa na lang. Ang galing, Time out! Good job. Good job, Pip. Okay, kuha ko yung tres mo. End of the half. Lamang na tayo, 37-34. Alright. Next 5.
I'm gonna use
Bidyahan mo naman kasi yung bidya.
Yeah. So just. Focus on here. Go right in the middle.
I'm trying.
Yeah, right there.
Forty-four, 42.
Oh! Swoop! Got the win! Woo! 59-64 and the purple win! Alright! Picture, ano picture sa atin? Nice game! Nice game, as usual, nice game! Nice game, congrats! Kaya Raul, panalo! So red team naman ang kasunod. Red team. That's good, that's good. Thank you for the video, P. That's good. Rob, ito nga pala yung Captain Ball tsaka MVP ng red. Basta Brad. Red team naman. Ito nga pala yung ano. Ito nga pala yung double MVP ng. Basta Brad. Good luck, good luck. Ayan. Oh Brad. Long time, long time. Sab, naka-vlog ka na lang kaya.
Oo, vlog.
Isa lang ba?
Oh, shoutout ka, shoutout.
Shoutout kay James Reed.
Ayos ah. Shoutout Brad.
Win.
Ayos. Of course the black labels. The black labels. Ito yung mga black team. Shoutout sa mga gustong ano. Ito pala si Justin oh. Ito ang ating ito. Shoutout lang, shoutout po ya, shoutout muna. Shoutout.
Shoutout, taga short pump.
Ayun. Of course, good luck ha. Good luck on your game ha.
Thank you.
Do you have you want to some shout out?
I miss you, son. He's at his baseball right now. I can't see you, but I miss you.
All right, watch this. Okay, Team L'Oreal. Okay. Ed, good luck. So yun. Ano standing natin yan, Kois? Fourth, third? Ay, depende dito, no? So yan. So sa ngayon, ang kakano fourth. Pero nanalo kami.
Pero depende ba dito? Akan pa tayo ng second at third yan. Malapit na ang semis. Guys, uwi na ako. Salamat. Thank you. Guys, uwi na ako. I have to go. Okay. Good game, ha? Next time, I'm gonna put a
Ano kami?
Next game. I'm gonna put here, what do you call this? Tripod. Ingat, Rod. Sayang eh. Pero nakuha ko yung 3 points na pareha. Nice game. Yun. Uwi tayo mga repa, no? Napagod tayo. Hindi ko inaasahan na ano ko hanggang dulo. Kasi nga, first time tayo ulit naglaro. Sigurado sakit katawan ko nito. Kasi nag-hot tweet si Rocky, sayang. Hindi ko na kinaya, pero at least natapos natin game. At thank you Lord, nanalo. At walang nasaktan, mga doon. Nag-enjoy kami lahat. Yun. So, uwi tayo mga repa. Pauwis tayo at pagod. Pahinga tayo. Thank you, honey, sa water. Ba't kayo lang akong vlog kung kailan natapos na natin yung tanggalin yung mga pang Christmas light, han?
Big water?
Pagod tayo mga repa. Tanggal natin, tapos natanggal yung tayo branches ng puno. Ngayon, dahil maaraw, naglalaro siya ng scooter. Tsaka na si isa. May mesa dyan eh. Ayun, nag-isa, mabike. Na-stuck na naman siya.
What?
We're gonna play basketball. Talagyan ko ito ng tubig. Jaden, take a video of me. I will put water here. Come on. Take a video of me.
I need to drink water first.
Okay, drink water first. So ito, nakatumba siya. So nalagyan ng tubig para makalaro sila. Ayan. Basketball time. Ayun, pahingaan sila. Ang ganda ng pahingaan nyo, ha? Ilalim na puno, ah.
Yeah.
Lamig, no? Aha.
Nag-ano ka mag-park? Masaya na ako dito.
Oh, take a video of me. Go.
So guys, Daddy's gotta put water inside. But I know there's water inside. I hear water.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put another more. I'm gonna put more.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
And that water that Mommy's holding?
That's water for...
Is that the one? Or not?
Let's go, come on.
You forgot about the bricks.
Come on.
You forgot about the bricks. You forgot about the bricks. No. Wait, what? This is so blurred. You smashed the... Hey, you smashed the flowers, Dad.
I use mush it. I'm just gonna put some water here. Okay?
What?
You're not taking me a video. Together with the water.
Water. Time for a swimming pool. Let's plant the water.
Yeah, with the water.
How the plants?
Oh, so cool. You know?
How are the plants?
You water the plants too. You can water the plants too, you know?
Yay.
You must put a lot of water here. So it's gonna be heavy. Okay?
How are bricks?
Bricks too. Later.
What are you doing?
I'm putting some water inside your basketball.
Because that's a lot of water. Stop.
No, it's not yet full. It's full.
It's like swimming pool.
It's not yet full.
Welcome to our guys.
Well, take a video
Today
for
we'll play the basketball. You need to
what you played already? You played what? You played
basketball
You played soccer.
and we play Minecraft and we play Minecraft. We play scooter and bike. We play Minecraft. That's a lot of water. It looks like a flood. Warning! Warning! Run away! There's a flood.
That is a lot of fun. Maybe the plants will drink the water. Maybe the leaves will sip up. Maybe the soil will sip up the water.
Maybe the leaves will be more grown. So Daddy is doing something. So Daddy is doing something.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna move your trampoline away.
Huh?
Seriously, how, Dad? How can you put our trampoline somewhere else? That's very confusing.
That's cringe.
That's very cringe.
Then I move there. I just need to move this.
Okay, I need to move it.
Basketball.
Daddy's bringing the basketball court, but it's so big.
Oh! Okay. So you have these bricks over here to hold it, and Daddy is holding the basketball.
I'm holding the brick.
I'll move the car.
Move the car.
So we need to get the basketball from there. And say over there. Do you listen to me?
Yeah.
It's not in the car, right here. I said it's not in the car. It's right here.
Daddy.
No, it's heavy there.
Now that's good.
Put the blocks here.
Strong.
Blocks over here.
Put it. I'm gonna put these blocks in.
Oh.
Yeah, okay, put the blocks there. Yeah, be careful with your hands. Okay? Mami, move mo yung sakyan para makapag... Oh, Johan, get the ball. Very good. You're helping your dad. There's more.
And
Tayo na yung kalabas
our
ko.
mom is leaving.
No, she's just gonna move the car for you.
Yeah, I agree with Daddy.
Very good. One more. There you go. Oh, get the ball. Get the ball there.
Jaden will get the ball.
Get the ball there. No.
I'm confused.
Go one by one.
Okay.
Gotta go. Oh, go. Shoot. Very good. Stuck. It's stuck.
Not stuck. Hey, get this. Okay, my turn. My turn.
Your turn. Go. Your turn, Johan. Too much. You're strong.
Now my turn again. Why is Jaden like that? My turn like that.
Go.
I don't.
Sila ngayon mga ma.
Oh, possible naman.
Dada, ayaw ka pa.
Oh, shoot.
Daddy,
Oh.
ayaw ka pa mag-park. Ang dami naman pwede gawin.
Oh, okay.
O ngayon, basketball naman sila.
You dribble the ball, not only shoot.
Woo!
You dribble. I'll show you.
Shoot.
Take a video of me. I'll show you how to dribble the ball. Come on. Dribble like this. Dribble. Yeah, like that. And then dribble, then shoot. There we go. Go, one more. Strong. Go, shoot. Oh, galing ah. Galing. Me naman. First try, yes. Yabang, no? Oh, almost there. Oh, almost.
It's Daddy's turn.
I didn't shoot because I didn't do properly.
Alright. Oh, you depend that. I don't want to.
Yay! Yan, pahig.
Lalaro kami. Ay!
May isang team na ako, mga moms, mga repa.
No, that's cheating.
Go, Johan!
No, that's cheating.
Who's cheating?
That's cheating. If it's blocking, that's cheating. That's a PE says.
What a
No
PE says?
blocking.
No, block yan.
Basketball. In basketball, di ba? You saw? Block. I like this. You do it. Go.
That's not fine.
No, this is basketball. It's sports. Like, no.
You need to steal down. This is sport, di ba, anak?
You have too much already. Sports.
Yay! Good job, Jade! Nak, it's only for fun, di ba? No crying. Outside. Outside.
It's sports. No crying here, guys.
It's for fun.
Not touching. No holding. No holding. No holding. No holding. Go.
Wow! Yay!
Daddy has no score. Daddy has no points.
Don't let daddy to shoot the ball. Don't let daddy to shoot the ball. Steal the ball from daddy, but not the holding, anak. Defense. Defense. Loberial, shoot the ball. 2 points. Another Loberial failed to shoot the ball. Oh, this third Loberial. His third. Free throw. Oinks. Oinks. Yay! Free throw! 2 points for Loberial. Another Loberial. Woo! You steal the ball. Oinks. Oinks. Oh, good. Great job. Oh, give the ball to Daddy. Get Daddy. Go, go, go. Go. Oh, catch the ball. Steal the ball from Daddy. Loberial is trying to steal the ball for his daddy, Loberial. Let's see if he will be able to get the ball. Oh, 2 points for Mr. Loberial. Another Loberial trying to... Wow! Good job! Another Loberial, Mr. Spider-Man. Wow! Good job. How about that one? Who is that one? Mr. Avenger, catch. Oh, no, holding. No, well. You are all the Berial. Wow, great job.
Jaden, are you tired? After being tired, nag-request sila, hindi pa nga sila nag-lunch yan eh. Nakalimutan na dahil sa sobrang daming activity. It's okay. It's okay because they're gonna eat pho. And what? Pho? Noodles, okay. Let's go to the pho again. Go to mommy. Gutom na tayo mga repa. Walang laki lunch. Brunch yung kinain natin eh. Very good. Bon appetit. Paborito nila yan.
Mommy, why is it crisp? Mommy, look, those crisps are delicious. Let's not crisp.
At syempre, ang ating special large pho. Ito kanilang noodles lang. Yun. Hati kami ni Mami dito. Pwede ko maubos eh. Busog pa nga kami.
Napakasarap niyan.
Ayun, gusto mo. Ano, Johan, is it good?
Yep.
O, Jeda, good? Enjoy. Kain mo tayo mga repa. Season muna natin to.
The next day.
Yan, masaya yung mga bata. Kali ko, kailan pa tayo naging 4 ng anak natin? Dahil dito na tayo sa Jollibee. Picture kayo, Johan, Johan. Not move, not move. Picture kayo. Ayan.
Picture, anak.
Picture.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
Alright. Bida ang saya. Sa Jollibee, sa Jollibee.
Dapat kayo sa harap.
Dala ko ba yung walk ko? Hindi ko dala, no?
Hindi mo madala?
Hindi. Ikaw, may kamera ka?
Picture ako muna si Jollibee. I mean,
Jollibee na ano. Grass.
Ayan, happy ba? Happy?
Happy!
Tita, saya.
Tita, saya.
Buti dito hindi maulan.
Makulimlim lang.
O, picture kay Jollibee.
Picture ka muna sa Jollibee.
Yeah. Talaga naman. Ako rin, nag-grade din ako Jollibee. Tagal ko hindi nag-Jollibee. Picture ko kayo dyan. Let's go na. Baka maulan na tayo. Ayan mga repa, Jollibee. Welcome na naman. Ay, saglit lang. Kasap ka natin. Si Mrs. pa lahat nag-drive nun, ha? Ang galing ni Charmaine, ha? Siya lahat nag-drive, ha? Yan si Raisa, nag-crave sa Jollibee. Ilang buwan ka na bang nakapag-Jollibee?
Last Virginia Beach namin is like, ang tagal na months na rin.
Tagal na pala.
Kasi nag-New York kami, hindi ako nag-Jollibee, siya lang nag-Jollibee.
Sino?
Si Pepay, siya lang nag-Jollibee.
Ba't ikaw?
Parang busog ako.
Okay.
Tsaka sumakot ko siya.
How about you guys? How many months since you had your last Jollibee? It's been like a long time already, right? Are you excited? Okay. Alright. So, nagpunta kami dito muna Jollibee. Mabilisan lang. Lapit ko lang to para hindi kaya mahaba, no? So, excited na sila. So, maglit lang kami dito after church. Dahil nag-crave kami lahat sa Jollibee. Si Pepay. CR. It's an hour and a half drive lang. Ikaw, Pepa, ilang months ka na din ka Jollibee?
Last 3 weeks ago.
Jollibee kay Florida? Okay. Jollibee
Late na ako sa
naman.
airport, dapat Jollibee pa rin.
Number ka umalis?
Okay, once to, nag-pray na yung kambal eh.
Kasi tinake out ko lang yun namin.
Kinain mo na sa airport na.
So, let's go, let's eat na. You want to eat na?
Hindi na kami nakakain kasi late na
Okay.
talaga.
Ayun, pauwi na tayo mga repa. Medyo maambon. At magagabi na. Mag-5 na. So, uwi na tayo. At hatid pa natin sila Ma'am Raisa at si Ma'am Pepay. Ayun o. Jollibee nandun pa sila sa loob eh. Open ko na ito sa sakyan. Woo! Busog. Thank you Lord. At nasatisfy na naman ang Jollibee cravings. Ayos talaga. Nagpunta din sa Virginia Beach para mag-Jollibee, no? Ano? Busog na. Busog ba? Busog ba? Busog ba kayo? Okay, let's go na.